What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to put 10 new growth stocks on your radar for 2025. I think, guys, it's important that you know what else is out there that you can make money with. All right, so I got a jam-packed video as always, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, number one is Cava, ticker symbol CAVA. All right, guys, I want you guys to make sure when you are in the stock market, you are scouring the market for other phenomenal plays, for other phenomenal companies. This is one of those ones. Check this out, guys. Year to date, this one, since it IPO, is up 168%. This will be something that I want on our radar for 2025. We want to track how well this company does. Look at this, guys. Cava Group is a holding company which engages in the operation of restaurants. It operates through the following segments of Cava: Zoe's Kitchen and other. The Cava segment represents the financial results of all Cava restaurants. The Zoe's Kitchen segment focuses on the financial results of all Zoe's Kitchen locations. The company was founded by Brett Shulman, Ike, Dimitri, and Theodore in 2010 and is headquartered in Washington, D.C. The listed name for Cava is Cava Group, Inc. Listen, guys, they specialize in Mediterranean food. So you know Chipotle, okay? Remember how they came on and burst onto the scene? Well, this is that, but on steroids, and in the Mediterranean space. Food is off the chain, restaurants is off the chain, business model off the chain, balance sheet is off the chain. And so, guys, I want you to have this on your radar because you're getting a chance to get something that's well ran and may have a lot of runway. And plus, you just want to know good alternatives to the things that's already discussed on a regular basis, okay? Just in case, all right? So that's Cava kicking off number one. Number two is AMAT, Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. This one is currently 166 at the time of this recording. Year to date, they're up 4%. And 1 year out, they're flat. If you go out 5 years, guys, this one is up 169%. Nobody, meaning NVIDIA, AMD, none of them can't do what they do without this company in the forefront of it, okay? And so understand that, guys. AMAT is one that you want to always have somewhere near in terms of what's going on, okay? And it's especially in the chip space and the AI space and in this sector with all this these new Blackwell chips and any other chip that think they're going to want to have created, AMAT is going to have a say so in it, okay? Another one is Uber, ticker symbol UBER. I want you just to pay close attention to how ride sharing, self-driving vehicles, all of these things will soon be at the forefront of how you transport around, okay? And so Uber been putting it down for a minute now, just slowly pulling away from Lyft, but have this on your radar. Year to date, guys, they're flat. 1 year out, they're down over 3.5%. 5 years out, though, this stock has doubled, okay? You always want to play the long game in the stock market, okay, guys? You will have stocks that will have years they're up, they're down, but overall, okay, look at this. Look at right here when Uber was 20. I remember when Uber was $20, okay? Now it is sitting at $61. So if you got this back in 2022 or back here in 2020, either year, okay, boom, it's done ran as high as $80 from $20, okay, guys? These plays can change your life, and I want you to make sure you got the right growth stocks. This is for those that need growth, not something that's steady eddy like Coke or Pepsi, but something that's going to go up, something that's going to grow your money, okay? Uber is one I want on your radar, guys. Another one would be Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, sitting at $430. They may very well be slept on in this whole space. They are one of the most well-ran companies. Them, Apple, okay? Them and Apple can easily compete for the 1 and 2 spots of best well-ran companies that is as large as they are. Year to date, Microsoft is up 15%, guys. This is good. This is a good place to park your money. You just know you're going to get quality through and through messing around with Microsoft. 1 year out, they're up 14%. In the past 5 years, they're up 172%. I want you to see a theme here, guys. The long game. The person that can play the long game will win. The person that can invest long term wins. Don't ever get caught up in the short day-to-day fluctuation. It was down today type of stuff. At the end of the day, 5 years from now, would you have liked to almost have 200% return on your money? Yes or no? The time is going to move whether you participate or not. You might as well let your stocks appreciate 150, 170, 200% in quality, okay? Done in a quality fashion like it will happen with Microsoft, okay? When you learn how to trade options, you can supercharge that. It don't even take 5 years. It take $5 move, and we can do that in a day if you rock with the same gang, okay? ASML Holding is another one, guys, sitting at $713.59. Another one that should be on your radar for 2025. Year to date, this one is down 2%. 1 year out, it's down 6%, but 5 years out, I want you to see this trend, guys. It's up 141%. So in terms of plays you want to see for this upcoming year, you don't want to get the stuff that's already at all-time highs with little to no more room to run. You want to see, look at this, you want to see something down 6%. This falling wedge already is telling us, boom, we can go from 713 back up here to a high of 1,098. I like that. And even if we don't get that high, we can get to 872, or we can get to 943. I like both of those levels coming from way down here, okay? That's ASML for you guys. Let's check this out. Google, this is one of those ones. Ticker symbol GOOGL, currently sitting at 192. This one should take over the $200 level in 2025. It touched it briefly before getting rejected back down here to the low 190s. It's going to eventually retest, then recapture 200, but at some point in time, it's going to hold that level and not come back down. So I say all that to say, if you see this in the 160s or 170s, that is your cue. That is your buying opportunity to get this en route to $200. And then eventually, guys, it'll go beyond that. Check this out. Year to date, this is up phenomenal, nearly 40%. 1 year out, 36%. 5 years out, 183%. Let me know, do you see the trend? Okay. Next, outside of Google, guys, we have NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. This is one of the big dogs in the game that's going to continue to do its thing. Currently sitting at 136.62. This one, look, 1 year out is up 177%. So this is up what all those other companies is up in year to date. That's just in 12 months. These other companies is up the same amount in 5 years. This is the result of what you get when you get in the right company at the right time. This is a runner. This is a beast, okay? 1 year out, it is up 175%. And 5 years out, look at this. It is up over 2,000%. And guess what? This has a little more room to go even higher. 200 and beyond is not out of the question. We're just simply looking for 160 and 180 around here, because just that move alone from its current price is life changing. Okay, so NVIDIA, guys, have it on your radar. You still want to roll with your winners. You still want to roll with your winners. This one still got more gas in the tank, okay? Next, we got CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD. This is another, you put this in the same family as, from a growth perspective, as Cava, Uber, stocks that can just run. This has the ability to just run. Year to date, they're up 41%. Again, you won't get this in a bank, okay? Despite the ups and downs, okay? You won't get this in a bank. And so, again, you want to take advantage of it. It had fell, and it was down as much as 13%. Look, guys, they have all but pretty much made back majority of that move, okay? They was up 55% on the year before that drop. Now they're just was up 54%, currently 41%. This is phenomenal. Year out, up 37%. 5 years out, 600%. This is the kind of growth you want in your portfolio, okay, guys? So make sure you tap in with CrowdStrike. With the emergence of AI and cyber attacks, you gonna want to make sure you have this cyber security on your radar in your portfolio as part of the mix. And you could rotate out of some of these guys, but ultimately these are some of the best 10 growth stocks you want to have on deck, okay? AMD, this is more or less a laggard that gonna play catch up and make a lot of people a lot of money. They're the number 2 in the space. NVIDIA is number 1, but don't sleep on number 2. When you are oversaturated, overbooked, the demand is super high, eventually that number 2, maybe by default, can get some business, can get some spillover. AMD is a phenomenal company without none of that, without no spillover from the NVIDIA. And so, again, they just position very, very well. Year to date, guys, this is down 13%. Look at CrowdStrike just a second ago. It was down 13%. They came all the way back up, and they was up 41%. Don't rule out this being able to do the same exact thing, and we want to be in it for the ride, okay? 5 years out, this is up 180%, and before this pullback, they was up 365%. Do not get sleep at the wheel, okay? AMD, guys, that's that one. Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU, sitting at 88.65. Year to date, this is up 5%. You know what I'm saying? Compared to the other ones, that's up substantially, but this was up 82% in June before this pullback. We have yet to break out. We haven't got above 107 yet. I'll just say this level, 113. When we get back above 113, is off to the races. Year to date is up 2%, but 5 years out, this is up 60%. That's not bad. That is not bad, okay? And then, guys, we have MicroStrategy. All right, if Bitcoin is going to do anything, if crypto is going to do anything, MicroStrategy is going to also make sure that they got their hand in the cookie jar. They're going to participate. Year to date, guys, this is up 377%. Okay, before they recent pullback, it was up 584%. 1 year out, it is up 405%. And just like Tesla, just like NVIDIA, this is up 2,000% in the past 5 years. Guys, this is just some heat for you guys for 2025. Put these on your radar. We will track them throughout the year. You don't have to pick all of them. Do your due diligence. Do your research. Pick a couple you like. Put them on your radar. Learn them. Master them. Become familiar with them. More importantly, be ready to make some money with them in 2025. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. If you haven't, guys, please join the Discord. Link for that is down in the description below. Everybody else, consider joining the money team. We make videos like this every day. Guys, make sure you grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.